Hi everyone, Matt here with ABI Attachments. As we prepare to settle in with friends and family here tomorrow to celebrate and to feast and to consider all we have to be grateful for, I want to take a quick moment to let you know that you all are at the top of our thankful list. ABI has been inventing and manufacturing attachments for people like you, people who work outside for 24 years now. And that entire time, we have made it a priority to work and talk with you directly. Instead of buy now buttons, we have in-house sales and service teams that are available to answer your questions and to get to know you and to make sure that the product you're looking at will actually meet your needs and solve your problems. And that means that we feel connected to you. We feel connected to you and your work. We care about you and your horse and your arena. We care about your driveway and your dirt road, and we care about your business and your customers. So when it rolls around to this Thanksgiving season, we're thinking about you at the top of our mind. We're grateful and thankful that we get to know you, and we are grateful that you trust us to help you to get your outdoor work done. So from all of us here at ABI Attachments to all of you, happy Thanksgiving.